In this lesson, I'm introducing point-slope form to write the equation of a line, providing students an alternative method to write the equation of a line. The slope-intercept form is review. We've already worked with that to write the equation of a line in the previous unit. So we had y equals mx plus b. The y is going to be 3. The slope's going to be 2. Your x-coordinate's going to be 2 because they only provided you with 1 point, so you didn't have to choose a point. And you're solving for b. So you have 3 equals 4 plus b. Subtract 4 from both sides. So b equals -1. And so your equation is going to be y equals, you rewrite the equation and put the slope and the y-intercept back in it, y equals 2x minus 1. And then I talk about, well, this one's called point-slope form, so what do you think you're going to need to be able to write the equation of a line using point-slope form? And they said a point and the slope, and so that's correct. The y1 and the x1 and y1 are going to represent 1 point, just like the 1 point we usually choose for y equals mx plus b. And the y and the x are actually just going to stay in the equation, so you don't have to do that rewriting at the last step. And so m's still going to be slope. So you're still given slope, so you're going to plug into the formula directly. It's going to be y minus the y coordinate of the 1 point you know is 3 equals the slope is 2 times the quantity of x minus x1 is going to be 2. And so you're going to simplify that, and just like when we simplified, you're going to apply distributive property first. So it's going to be y minus 3 equals 2 times x is 2x, 2 times -2 is -4. And now you're trying to solve for y to get it in the form y equals mx plus b for your final answer. And so all you have to do is take the 3 to the other side, add 3 to both sides. And so y equals 2x minus 1. A lot of students like this method just because you don't have to rewrite it at the end. And then we had, I had 2 points that they compared in the warm-up. And so they had to go through, and we talked about, well, you have to do slope, find the slope using the slope formula for both first steps in both formulas. And then you go through the process of choosing 1 point to plug in for your x and y. And in the y equals mx plus b, again, you'll have to solve for b and rewrite it in point slope. You just plug directly into the formula and then simplify it to get it in the form of y equals mx plus b.